To redeem your Barnes & Noble gift card, you can follow these simple steps. First, make sure you have your gift card number and PIN, which can be found on the back of the card. You can redeem your Barnes & Noble gift card in store or online. To redeem in store, take your gift card to any Barnes & Noble location and let the cashier know you would like to use it as payment. They will swipe the card and apply the funds to your purchase. To redeem online, go to the Barnes & Noble website and add the items you would like to purchase to your cart. When you are ready to check out, click on the checkout button and enter your gift card number and PIN in the payment section. The funds will be applied to your purchase and you can complete the checkout process. If you are having trouble redeeming your gift card, make sure the card is not expired and that the balance is sufficient to cover the cost of your purchase. You can check the balance of your gift card by visiting the Barnes & Noble website or by calling their customer service number. It is also important to note that Barnes & Noble gift cards can be used to purchase any item on their website or in their stores, including books, e-books, music, and other merchandise. However, they cannot be used to purchase other gift cards or to make payments on a Barnes & Noble credit card. In addition to redeeming your gift card, you can also check the balance and transaction history online or in store. This can help you keep track of how much you have spent and how much is left on the card. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Barnes & Noble gift card and start enjoying your purchases. Remember to always keep your gift card number and PIN safe and secure to avoid any unauthorized use.